Hello guys, welcome back. Today we will learn about keyword research. Yes, keyword research, which is an important aspect of online selling. Without keywords, you cannot increase your visibility or sales. Yes, on any online portal, even though it's Amazon, Flipkart or Meesho or any YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, all algorithms run with keyword only. So you need to have proper keywords in your product to increase your visibility and increase your sale. So how can you get a proper keyword for your product, right? So each category has more than 1,000 keywords and we don't know which keyword out of this 1,000 keyword is good for our product to increase the visibility. So how you can find that? So today I will teach you two ways to get good keywords for your product, so which you can insert in your title, description, bullet points or in your keyword column to increase your visibility and increase the clicks of your product. So let's find out how to search keywords. Now we will try the first method, which is we have to go to amazon.in and in the search box you have to write the product which you are selling. It cannot be the category, it should be a particular product. Okay, for example, if I am selling artificial plant red leaves, so I will write artificial. So I'm just writing artificial and Amazon is giving me artificial plant for home decor, artificial flowers for decoration, artificial leaves for decoration wall. So as a customer also, when you go on Amazon and if you search a single word, Amazon will give you 10 to 15 options. So this can be for the category, but if you want a specific keyword for your product, for example, I am selling red artificial flower. So in the search box, I will write artificial. So if you can check, just by writing artificial, Amazon gave me more than 5 to 10 options. So as a customer, even you go on amazon.in, if you search just one keyword or just one word, Amazon will give you 10 options. So this is good for the category, but we are right now searching for a keyword particularly for our product. So we will mention our product. So artificial red plant. For example, if I writing artificial red plant, Amazon is showing me artificial red plant for home decor, red leaf, artificial plant, artificial red leaves plant for home decor. So if you can check, there are 10 keywords related to my product. So this is the first way and the simplest way. You just have to go in amazon.in and search for your product. Amazon will give you 5 to 10 good keywords. So the second way is a bit difficult. Okay, so for that you have to first start with your advertising, which is automatic advertising. So for example, if you run an automatic advertising for 10 days and the daily budget is 200 rupees. So by the end of 10 day, Amazon is going to spend 2000 rupees in automatic advertising. And after spending 2000 rupees, Amazon will give you a report where he has spent all this 2000 rupees. Was it keyword targeting? Was it product targeting? And if it is keyword targeting, then which all keywords did he target to generate sale or to generate lead for you? So for that, firstly you need to run an advertising. So without advertising, Amazon will not give you the report. So first run an advertising, which we will learn later in our course about advertising, which is automatic and manual. So we need to run an automatic advertising. So for that, and after running the advertising, I will tell you where you can find the Excel sheet. So where you can find the report and generate good keywords for your product. So for that, you need to go on Amazon Seller Central, click on this 3-line advertising and campaign manager. So if you are advertising for the first time, this won't be the page for you. Okay, it would be a bit different. So when we will learn how to start advertising, you will be able to get to see the exact page. This is a page for people who have already started advertising. So if you can check in lifetime budget, this seller has already spent over 1 lakh rupees. So how to generate the reports, right? So for that, if you can check on the left hand side, Amazon has opportunities, sponsor ads, brand content, creative tools, insight and planning, and the last one is sponsor ad reports. So click on sponsor ad reports, click on create reports. So here the first one is report category. So Amazon has 3 type of advertising. So we will select sponsor product, report type. So right now we are searching for keyword, but there are multiple other options also. If you want any kind of report for the advertising, you can generate that. So we want keywords, so search term. Country is by default India. Time unit is summary or daily. So we want a total summary of the total advertising which is been done in last 10 days or 20 days, whatever times period you select. Report period, by default is 30 days, but you can select 10 days also, 2 days also, or 1 year also. So here I am selecting 1st June to 18th July and save. Reporting setting, report name. If you want to mention any customized name, you can mention here. If you want to enter your email ID that the report should be mailed to you, so you can enter your email ID over here. Okay, so it would be saved for you for a long run. Request time, so you have 3 options now. If you want to download the reports right now, you want to download the report in future, or recurring means you want to download the reports every week, every day, or every monthly. If you can just click on recurring, you will get options daily, weekly and monthly. So right now we are selecting now. In the right hand side we have to click on run reports. So basically this report generation takes just 1 to 2 minutes. You just have to refresh the page and check the report is already generated. Then click on download and then click on the file which has been downloaded. So as you can check, the report has been downloaded and Amazon has given you so many options, so many detailed, right? So many reports. So we don't know, has given you so many. So not everything is important to us right now. So first one is start date and end date, portfolio name. So this all things is not that important for now, right? In the I column, you can check customer search term. So these are the search term where customer has used to search our product, or Amazon has targeted search keywords while advertising our product, right? So for this search term is important. Next to search term, in J column, it is impression, how many time the customer has seen our product in this particular keyword. Third one, after that is click, how many times the customer has clicked our product while searching in this particular search term. L column is click-through ratio. Now what is click-through ratio? This is an important thing in this report. So click-through ratio is, for example, if your advertising has came across 2 people, like impression is 2, but only 1 person has clicked your advertising, so your click-through ratio is 50%. 2 people saw your advertising, only 1 person clicked, so the ratio is 50%. If you can check over here, 10 people saw your advertising, but only 1 clicked your product, so the click-through ratio is 10. So while getting good keywords, we want click-through ratio to be more than 10%. Any click-through ratio below 10% is no use to you. So first, for that you need to enter Control A. So we have to select, go to data, sort. In sort by, you need to select click-through ratio, large to small, and OK. So here now in L column we need to check. We have to search till 10%, right? So from 440 to 816 we have to delete because this is of no use. Secondly, again enter Control A, data, sort, and now we have to click clicks, large to small, and OK. Now our data is ready. Okay, according to our requirement, the sheet is ready. In sponsored report, if you are advertising for 4 products, so this report will give the mix report of all the 4 products. So you need to select, for example, our first keyword is milk pan with lid and the third keyword is magical umbrella. So the milk pan with lid and magical umbrella is totally 2 different keyword of 2 different products. In the second one, if you can check, it is BO again. So there are multiple with BO. So basically they are the AS sign where Amazon has product targeted. So when we will learn about how to product target in manual advertising, I will definitely teach you over there. So right now you can just skip that part. So if, for example, if I want to generate a keyword for my torch, for my light, so if you can check, this is keychain lead light. Okay, 26 people have seen my advertising and out of which 4 people has clicked. So my click-through ratio is 15, which is really good. So for that I will just give him a color. So in this report, you have to select a product. First select a product and then select 5 good keywords for that particular product. So again, pocket light is one of the keyword which has 27 impressions and 4 click through ratio is good. Pocket flashlight 7 and 3, the click through ratio is really good over here, so we need to click here. Flashlight torch 11 3, click through ratio is 27, again really good. Reversible umbrella is not for our product. Mini Cobe light, okay, out of 2 6, so we can select this keyword as well. So as you can check, we have selected 5 keywords. So apart from these 5 keywords, just delete everything, so it won't come in between while we are generating proper accurate reports for this particular product. So now you can check there are only 5 keywords. You don't need to worry, just make sure you don't save this file, or else you need to go on Amazon again and generate the report. Okay, so after closing without saving, and if you reopen, all the keywords would be there again. So you need to copy all these 5 keywords, go to your Google Sheets or Google Docs or your Word file, whichever you use, and paste there. So I will use Google Docs. Okay, so go on Google, select Google Docs, click on blank and paste your keywords here. So we have 5 keywords. So now it's the time where we use these 5 keywords. So where you can use these 5 keywords? It is in your listing, right? So where in your listing you can use only one good keyword in your keywords column. You have to use another 4 in your title, description and bullet point, right? In your title, description and bullet point, where indirectly we will use this keyword and we will make Amazon algorithm understand that these all keywords are in our product as well. So how to do that? So first of all, go to your Amazon Seller Central. If you are in Amazon's ad, just click on this 9 dots and click on Seller Central, or you can just close this tab and open a new tab with Seller Central. Click on this 3-line inventory and manage all inventory. Now search for the product for which you have already selected this 5 keywords. Okay, so my keyword is torch. Okay, so I will just scroll down and look for my torch. If you know your SKU or anything related to your title, you can search here. For example, if I'm searching torch, and if I search, I have received torch, right? So you can do that, or if you know, you will find out by scrolling down, you can do that. From that, you have to click on edit. So click on first keywords. So as you can check, there are again multiple keywords over here and we were not getting good sales. So remove that keyword and select only one keyword and paste over here. Now go on description. So here we need to add. So after using, you can just erase it. Now here in description, we need to use at least 2 keywords. Okay. So pocket flashlight is one of the keyword which we are going to use. Okay. After pasting, you don't have to leave there. You need to form a complete sentence. Pocket flashlight is a useful product for everyone. Okay, so indirectly we have formed a sentence, pocket flashlight is a useful product for everyone. So indirectly we are entering our keywords, right? So and again you need to erase that. Flashlight torch is again, flashlight torch are useful in night and dark area. Again we formed a sentence and we entered our flashlight torch light. So this is indirectly targeting the keywords. So again remove this mini Cobe light. Okay, so now after entering in product description 2 keywords, now we can go to bullet points. So mini Cobe light is portable, lightweighted, mini size. Okay, so here we can use indirectly. So by default the sentence was there, we just added a keyword. Erase this thing, keychain light, lead light. So again copy this thing. Now we will go to the title. Okay, So the keyword is keychain lead light. Okay, so for tactical keyword for emergency keychain with 3 adjustable emergency and activity. So if you are not able to, for example, I'm not able to form a proper sentence for this keyword, so you can again go to description and add in your bullet point or description. So I have written keychain lead light, but I need to complete the sentence over here. Stays longer. As you can check in the below, it was included of 1865 battery, so obviously it stays long. So indirectly I have used that information to create my new sentence. Okay, so this is the way you insert your keywords in your product listing, and by default, if you check, within next 10 days your visibility for this particular product will drastically increase. You need to keep on changing the keywords at least twice every after 2 weeks. If any of the product all of a sudden start getting good orders, please don't edit anything. After your product has started getting good sale, that means that product has got good keywords for that particular listing. So if you edit anything, the chances of dropping the sale is pretty much higher. So if your product started to get good sale, just leave that product and work on another products, right? So make sure till the date your product is not getting good sale, you need to keep on changing the keywords. So for that, you need to keep on advertising your product as well to generate good reports. So advertising is useful for increasing your sale as well as to generate good reports related to your account. Please make sure you have written down each and every point step by step in your notebook or in your mobile phone. So whenever you are in the search term process, it would be very much easier for you. And comment down below what all things you have learned. So it would be easier for me and my team to know whether you are going on a right track or not. Thank you so much.